Let's make the most refreshing Vietnamese dessert. Chea Thai is a colorful Vietnamese fruit cocktail that is made with assorted canned fruits, jellies, and a sweetened coconut base. It is one of my favorite nostalgic desserts, and it's so easy to make.
This is so good.
First, we will make the red rubies. For these, you will need red food coloring, water chestnuts, and tapioca starch. These little rubies have a thin, chewy exterior, almost like boba, with a nice crunchy center. Dice these into 1/4 inch cubes. Then, in a medium-sized bowl, add a few drops of red food coloring to the diced water chestnuts. Mix together until all the pieces are completely red. Then add the tapioca starch and toss until the pieces are fully coated. Heat water in a small saucepan over medium-high heat until it reaches a boil. Then shake off any excess starch and add the coated water chestnuts to the pan. Stir continuously to prevent them from sticking and boil for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the rubies begin to float and the outside turns translucent. Then remove them from the water and transfer them into an ice bath to cool for at least 10 minutes. Next, we will make the coconut milk. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, add the coconut milk, water, sugar, and salt. Then mix until the sugar has dissolved. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then set aside to cool. For the best balance of flavors and textures, you will need toddy palm seeds, longan, lychee, jackfruit, coconut strips, coconut jelly, pineapple jelly, and green ayu jelly. Strain the jackfruit, longan, lychee, coconut strips, pineapple jelly, and coconut jelly. And be sure to reserve all the syrup. This will be our sweetener. Then we will slice up the jackfruit and palm toddy seeds into smaller bite-sized pieces. I actually prefer pandan jelly over ayu jelly, but it requires more prep since you have to make it from scratch. So this alternative will save you time. Finally, add all of the fruits and jellies into a large mixing bowl. Pour in the coconut milk, then add half and half and add the fruit syrup we saved earlier. Add the syrup 1/4 cup at a time until you reach your desired sweetness. And that's it. Now you have a refreshing dessert. It's creamy, fruity, and the perfect easy dessert to toss together for your next gathering. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another recipe. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite chea?
This is so good.
Can I have some?
No.